तो बच्चा लोग, welcome to the new video. Now, in the previous video, if you remember, we had filled our all the videos, scheduled videos with the public videos, right? From the YouTube Gate API. Here you can share. We got the title, published, at everything in the previous video. Now we are going for scheduled videos which are private, right? So I just change it to private, and then we are getting the title of this. Now in this video, what we are going to do, we are going to create a calendar event, and then simply we are going to see if these values like title and publish date and the video ID, we are going to create that those with three values. We are going to create a calendar event, and we are going to see in the calendar. It should appear in the Google Calendar all the scheduled videos at one place, which is our project, and also we are very close to that. So let's share. Now what I did is simply created a calendar event, right? You can see the method create event with title, publish time, and video URL. Three things. With the title which we are getting from the snippet, and then publish time, and then video URL by using YouTube watch, then the video ID, right? Now to create a calendar event, what we are doing, we are getting this calendar builder. Here you can see we have a calendar ID primary, will improve later, and then build calendar event. Simply we are passing the same credentials, you remember this JSON file, and simply creating a calendar builder by passing our application name, which is Nupur Code YouTube Sync. Let me show that again. If you remember, these are the logs. YouTube, yeah, here you can see Nupur Code YouTube Sync here on the top right. This is our project app name. Now after passing this, we are simply creating event. So this is the calendar builder client, and then we are using start and end instant. We are adding 1 hour. Now how to create the event. So here you can see event is equal to new event, then short summary, which is title, then YouTube video URL, and then start a new event date. Okay, time equals milli, then end date event again instant to equals milli. Okay, now calendar.event.insert, this line will basically execute and insert the calendar event. Spelling गलत है क्या? Calendar event. Okay, so system.out.println calendar event created for this title. Now let's let's run and see if everything is alright or not. Authentication, oh my god, authentication successful. Let's see what is there. Application failed. Why? Okay, here you can see method overriding. Okay, some videos it brought, and then it failed. After one video is fetched, it is failing. Why? Did this? Where is exception? Line, okay, caused by this one. You are currently running with version 2.2.0 of Google API Client. You need at least version 1.5 of Google Client to run 1.2.5 to the calendar API. Okay, let's see why we are making a mistake. Okay, illegal steps to fix the conflict in the pom.xml. What we need to do, open a pom.xml file, look at the dependencies, API client, and Google API calendar, Google API client to compatible 1.x version 1.32, which is widely used and stable. Ensure it works with your specific calendar API. Okay, Your current calendar API version, Google API services. Let's see what we have in our Power.xml. Google API services YouTube, which is good. Google API services calendar, we are using 1.25, which is, I think that should not be any problem. Okay, this one, Google API client, it is suggesting, right? We are using YouTube API, calendar API. So this is the calendar API version. We are using 1.25, right? 1.25, which is good. Google API services calendar, it seems good. And here it is showing use compatible 1.x version 1.2. So here we have used actually one. Let me use this one then. Okay, instead of 2.2.0, let me use this in my one build. It's loading. Cool. Now let's run it again and see if we are having the same error or some other error. This is about the software development, right? You always hope there should not be any error, but error comes. The problem, you should be happy that you are getting some different problem, right? Yeah, this time different one, at least that error went. Now we are out of this error, right? Some new error. Java time format text null could not be passed at index 0. So null we are getting somewhere. Calendar service. It is showing date time parser. So where we are somewhere at this line or this line we are getting error, right? Because date might be null. It should not be null, but yeah, it is showing it is not. It is null. So new date time to start the post mail is not equal to null. This it is here. Where we are getting not equal to null, we should get this new date. Start time to post mail is otherwise set null. Let me handle this also. and instant, right? Let's okay, so actually it is null, so null handling is not working. Let me find it. Null pointer exception, we are getting null reference to the past method java time. Okay, how to fix it? You need to add checks to handle where input string might be null or empty before attempting to pass the operation. Quick add check for the string null explicitly and a conditional check. Okay. Let's try. We'll also add the trackers block to handle the date time pass exception. How? So we are doing data string to be